If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new series where we are starting GATE digital electronics topics. So today we will be taking 5 questions, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, now if you see question number 1, what they are asking here, the logic functions f is the same as. Now what thing you can do, you can simplify this one, or in the exam suppose you cannot simplify this one, you cannot find match with this one. If it is a 2 variable, you try with some input. So because it is digital, so input will be either 0 0 or 0 or 1. So it can be 0 0 0 1 1 0 or 1 0 1. When you try with the options, see which option is satisfying with your given statement. So instead of solving this one, it will be better if you go by, because if you solve also, it is not necessary that it will come in this way also. You have to make it in this way. Then in the exam you may search what should I do so that it comes in this way, because this is not the simplified way, because you can see you can further simplify it. So they have stopped up to some step, you don't know on which step they have stopped. So better will be you take this one x 0 0, initially start with this one, what will be your f, you calculate, and then you check with your options which option is giving satisfying this condition. So if you give 0 0, so it is 0, so 0 multiplied by something will be 0, plus this is also 0, so 0 multiplied by something is 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 bar is 1, so your output is 1. So see which option is giving 1 output. So if you give first option 0 0 0 0, so 0 plus 0 0, so 0 multiplied by 0, so obviously A will not be the answer. Then if you multiply 0 plus 0, then it is 0, something you multiply with 0 0, so bar is 1. So B can be, don't give answer here, because we are eliminating. Which one is not correct, that is true. Which one is correct, we don't know, because further investigation is required. So if you put 0 0 0 1 1 1, so if you put 0 0 0 bar 1, this is also 1. So B, C can be, D is none of this. Okay, A cannot be. Now next one you can check with 0 1. See which option is satisfied. So if you put 0 1, so 0 means this is 0. So 0 1. So 0, this is 1. So this is also 1 1. 1 plus 0 1, bar is 0. So this should be 0. I will not check A, because A is not the answer, I know. So 0 1. So 0 is 1. So it is 1. And then it is 1. 1 into 1, 1 bar is 0. So it should be 0. So B is coming 0. So it still can be. Here if you put now 0 and 1, it is 0. So something you multiply with 0, it should be 0. So still C can be. So you can start with now. You can check with now 1 1. Because B is looking symmetry. If it is not there, then we will go for again 1 0. So it will be 1 1 means 1 into 0. So it will be 0. It will be also 0. 0 plus 0 0, bar is 1. So 1 1, answer should be 1. So if you put it here, 1 plus 1 1. 1 bar is 0 0. So 0 plus 0 0. 0 into something 0, bar is 1. So B is also giving me 1. Okay, B still can be. We will hold it for a moment. Then you see, if you put 1 1, then it is 0. So obviously C cannot be, because C is giving me 0 answer, but 0 cannot be because output is 1. So I left with one more check only. So this is 1 0. So if I put 1 0, so it will be same, because symmetry 1 0 1 0. So it is 1. So 1 0, then it is 0. 1 plus 0 0. 1 plus 0 1, bar is 0. So it should be 0. I will check only B now. So 1 0 1 1 0 means this is 1 1 0 0 1. The answer should be 0. So okay, then if you put, so ultimately you left with, you see 1 0 also, 1 0 also it is coming 0. So ultimately you left with B option. So B is satisfying all 4. That's why B is the correct option. So for this two variable type question, so you can try with this type of truth table format, then you try, or you can simplify it also, no issue. So in question number 2, if we go, the minimal product of the sum described minimal product of sum. So what we do generally, that is SOP, sum of product. Then we say AB plus BC plus C, that is sum of products. So product, then you take product, then sum, something of this fashion. This one, and the product, then sum, product, and then this one generally we do, but here it is given product of sum. So just reverse of this one. In there, whatever you do for SOP, just reverse thing we will do for POS. That's it. Nothing is different here. So what we will do for SOP, this is POS they are asking. So SOP we take 1 1. So POS we will take zeros. All the zeros we will take. So you can take one quad of this fashion. You can take one quad of this fashion. So you can write it down from K-map. Okay. So if you write it down from K-map, what will be your expression, then simplification. So from this quad, if you see which one is not changing, C is changing, B is changing, so not changing is A. So it should be A, but because it is pause, for 1 we write A bar. So that's why it is A bar. Plus anything on changing, anything which is not changing, no. Everything is changing. B is also changing, C is also changing. So this much. Multiplied by, normally what we do, A bar into C, we see which one is also not changing, that we multiply. Then plus we go for next. But here we will go for first one. If you see whether any other is changing or not, that we will put a plus. So it is sum, then we take product, then product of next quad. Generally we do, we take one quad plus then another quad. Here one quad, product, another quad. And inside one quad we will take summation if there is 2, 3 item which is not changing. So all that will be added. Now if you see here next quad, this one, which one is not changing? AB is changing. The item that is not changing, that is C. So that's why it should be C bar. They have also mentioned 1 means C bar. So it is C bar. Any other thing that is not changing? No. So we left it blank. So that means it is A bar into C bar. That is your option A. Just reverse of what you do in SOP. Next here 3. So this type of Boolean expression, if they asked you to simplify this one, so I think that is better if you go by Carnot map, K-map. So for doing K-map, how many variables are there? 3 variables. So here X, Y. So you write 3 variable K-map and then Z. So it will be 0, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, then it is 0, then it is 1. You see which items are given to you, you put 1 there. Whatever items are given to you, that you take as a, that is given to you, that is 1. So first one is X bar, so 0. So what is the first item? Let me write it 0, 1, 0. Then 0, 0, 1. So these are the items where it should be 1. And it is 1, 1, 0. Then it is, you can see 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. Then last one is 1, 1, 1. All 3 are, no bar is there. So you will put it 1 there. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1. Then Z is also 0. So this is 1. This is done. So next 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. So this is also done. Next 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. So this is also done. Next 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. So this is also done. Next 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So these are the things you have. Now in K-map, because you cannot do quad here, so what we will do, we will make a pair. So this is one pair. This is one pair. And what about your K-map? Do you know one thing I want to mention here? K-map is not a flat map. It is not a flat. K-map is a round shape. K-map is basically it is a round. So the last one is coming with the first one. This is the K-map. You put 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is your K-map, actual K-map, because I am doing in copy, that's why it is flat. In your book also it is given flat, but actual K-map is a round shape. This is the K-map. Suppose this line is for 0, 0. So this will be for 0, 1, then 1, 1, then again 0, 0. So 0, 0, so it will be 1, 0, 0, 0. These will be just touching each other. So they are flat. So again that too also make a pair. That's why K-map is not a flat surface, it is a round shape surface. So that's why these and these match. These are the two ends that will also match. This is suppose 1, 0, this is 0, 0. So they will match from the behind. So you can find a pair there. So that's why it can be also be a pair. Okay. So from here you can easily now write it down how to simplify it. If I take one by one, first one if I take, so which one is not varying here? A is also, X is varying, so X we will not write, but Y is not varying, so it is Y and it is Z bar, so Y Z bar. Then plus if you take this pair, which one is not varying here? X is not varying, so X, then Z is also not varying, so XZ plus. If you take these two, then which one is not varying from these two? B is not varying, see, B is 0, 0 is there, so it is B in Y, here, it is Y bar. And Z is also not varying because both these items Z is 1, so Y bar Z. Okay, after solving this, you can see none of the option is satisfying with this one. Okay, so because there is other ways also we can take, we could have considered. Suppose we don't consider this one as pair, so we can consider this one also a pair. So there are other ways also we can consider. So in that case also you can do it. So instead of writing this one was for this pair. So now you think this is not there. So whatever you do, it need not to be that the same answer will come. So you think that whether K-map can be taken in different way also. Yes, I can take this one as a different pair also. So if I take that one, this remains same. This is for this first one, and the second one becomes this one. So if you take this one, this becomes your XY, and then finally this becomes Y bar Z, which is equal to your option B. You see this one, Y Z bar, Y bar Z, XY. Suppose if you are getting this and you are not getting matching with the options, then you check which option is the closest. So you see this one is the closest, Y bar Z, Y Z bar. Then you think which one you have missed, XY. Then you think XY can be, yes, XY can be possible if I take this one as a pair. If I remove this pair and if I take this one as a pair, then it can come. So similarly, you do K-map and you check with the options. You have to play a little bit with the options. It is not that directly you will get the answer. So in some case you have to also play with the options, also check whether it is satisfying or not. Now if you come to option 4, again there are 4 variables. Again what I will mention you can go by with that, what we say, Boolean expression y. So this one we will write it in SOP form, or you can, and then we will check whether which one is satisfying on. That is using K-map will. So if you take product, what will be your y? First I have to take product and then simplify it. So if you take product, first one will be a bar, b, c, d, then plus. Then if you multiply this and this, so you can see b and b bar will be multiplied. So if that will be 0, so no need to write. Now if you multiply this and this, that is a bar d, and if you multiply this, then it is b bar c bar d, b bar c bar d. So now you can put it there, a b c d, a b, and then c d. You can write the K-map for 4 cross 4, 0 0 0 1 1 1, then it is 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So it is a bar b c, that is 0 1 1 1. So you check 0 0 1, then it is 1. So this is 1, the first one. Then it is a bar d. A bar d means the first one you know 0, the last one you know 1, and inside that can be anything. So 0 and d should be 1. So d is 1 here, this 2 row, and 0 is here also 0. So these all 4 can be, because you can see a0 d1, a0 d1, a0 d1, a0 d1. So this is your second one. Then it is b bar. A can be anything. I don't know a, so I am skipping a. Then it is 0 0 1. So it can be anything, but it should be 0 0 1. So the CD should be 0 1. That is in this line 0 1. Then A can be anything, and B should be 0. So B0 is here and here. So this is also 1. This is also 1. So these are the options you have. So you have now all this you have done. So this is a quad now, and this is also a pair. So you can simplify this one now. So your y will be, if you take this is a quad, then which one is not changing out of these two? 0 is not changing, that is for A. So it is A bar. And which one is not changing here? D. So A bar D plus. In this pair, which one is not changing here? B bar is not changing, that is 0. So B bar. And here this 0 1 is not changing, 0 is your C bar and D. So this is your simplified version. I think you will directly get it here, because there is no other option. You can take this one, more simplified K-map, because this is the only way. You take this is quad, this is pair. Here there was other options. I have taken this is a pair, this someone can take this one as a pair. So there are 2 options. That's why answer was you didn't got the answer. But here only one option is there to simplify K-map. Now if you see question number 5, in the given figure the input is a sinusoidal signal, okay, sine wave, the output will appear. Now you see there is in this op-amp there is diodes are connected. So if you take the first half, positive half, so this diode will be forward biased. Once this is forward biased, this is plus minus. So this voltage will be at higher voltage. If I take this is ground, then this will be 0.7, because this is higher potential, then this is lower potential, because the drop will be in this fashion, because it is forward biased during positive half cycle. That means your negative will get higher potential. Negative will get higher potential, that means the output will be at minus V. It will be oscillator, you can see it will be oscillator, because it is a comparator. No feedback is there, so it will be comparator. So either these or these will be the option, that can be seen. So initially it will be, if in the positive half it will, because it is forward bias, so this is at higher potential, this is negative terminal, so output will be minus B. So initially it will be minus B, and in the reverse bias this will be reverse bias, then this will be plus, this will be, so this will be at higher potential. If this at higher potential, then it will go to plus B. So that is your option C. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable